Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can turn on or turn off the hardware acceleration for the Shift AI browser, for example on Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating systems and desktop computer or laptop. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will need to access your browser settings in the Shift AI browser. To do that, it looks a little bit different than on most other web browsers like Chrome, Brave or Edge. So you will need to click into that gear icon in the top right. So here, scroll all the way down or click into this button, here, Advanced Settings. That is going to redirect you to the Shift AI browser settings. So what you want to do from here is click into System and go through the settings. You may also use the search bar here, but you will see this feature, you use graphics acceleration when available. It was enabled on default for me after I downloaded and installed Shift AI browser, so you may or it may be necessary to check if that's also the case for you. So if you'd like to turn it off, you'll need to do it manually here. Relaunch the Shift AI browser after that so that these changes may be applied to your browser. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.